Hey there, sports lovers! Today, we're going on a mission to uncover the secrets of finding prohibited substances in the World Anti-Doping Agency's Prohibited List. Buckle up and let's dive in. So, you're an athlete or someone who wants to stay up to date on the substances that are a big no-no in the world of sports. We've got just the tool for you. Step 1. Grab your trusty device and get ready to explore the WADA Prohibited List. It's like your secret weapon against doping. To access the Prohibited List, head over to the PAN WADA website. It's the go-to place for all the information you need. Step 2. Once you're on the PAN WADA website, keep in mind that the Prohibited List changes every year. It's like a living document that evolves to keep up with the latest developments. You'll find the updated Prohibited List available around October or November of the previous year. So mark your calendar and be ready. Step 3. Get ready for some detective work. The Prohibited List is divided into categories, making it easier for you to find what you're looking for. From stimulants to hormones, there's a whole array of substances and methods listed, each with their own special powers. Some substances are prohibited at all times, while others are only prohibited during competitions. It's important to pay attention to whether a substance is always prohibited or only during competitions. This helps you understand the rules and stay compliant. Step 4. Use the search function to find a specific substance. Just type in the name, and the website will work its magic. Within seconds, you'll have all the information about that substance, including its status and any additional notes. And remember to search by the name of the substance or compound, not the name of the medicine. Step 5. Stay vigilant and keep checking for updates. Remember, the Prohibited List changes every year to stay ahead of the game. As new substances and methods come into play, it's crucial to stay informed. So make it a habit to visit the website and check for any updates to the Prohibited List. And there you have it, folks. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of how to navigate the ever-evolving WADA Prohibited List like a pro. Spread the word to your fellow athletes, coaches, and anyone interested in clean and fair sports. Together, we can keep the spirit of competition alive. That's all for today's adventure. Happy exploring, and remember to always play true.